I've been day trading only ES for over a year now, and what we're experiencing is unprecedented. The market conditions right now occur less than 2% of the time over the last 6 months and less than 3% of the time over the last 5 years. Stay with me. I'm going to break it down what's going on in the market right now and how we could potentially profit from it or, at least lose less money from it. So when we look at the charts, I actually first want to go to the initial balance report. What the initial balance report says from Edgeful is that we single break the initial balance one time, 75% of the time. We double break it 23% of the time, and we have no break 1.5% of the time. So this no break of the initial balance is very unlikely. And the initial balance is just the first 1 hour of the trading day. So if you just took the first 1 hour and then plotted a high and a low from that candle, that would be what the initial balance is. So what I want to show you guys today is how in the past seven trading days, 7 trading days, we have had multiple of these unprecedented events. So last week, we didn't break the initial balance one time. If we go and we can see here on Thursday, February 20th, we had a large sell-off at the open. We made a low and then we failed to break it once, twice, three times. And then you can see the top was just absolutely untapped. So this is a very interesting day. What can we learn from this? I'm not sure, but it might be indicating that we are changing the market structure. If we look at this from the 4 hour, this is extremely like where we're looking at is this move right here, this extremely bearish move that happened in just a couple days. So it's very weird that we are not breaking the initial balance low, but we're continuing to sell off like this. It's very odd that we're not having trend continuation right now. We're having extremely sharp moves. Like this move right here was 0.78% in the matter of literally 30 minutes. So what we need to be aware of, how we can make money from this or how we can lose less money from this, is being aware that right now the current market conditions are trending but not there's no follow through. That's a good way to put it. There's no follow through to the trend right now intraday. Now, from a higher time frame, if you're a swing trader, there's a lot of follow through and there's probably some amazing swing trading opportunities. But let's take a look at this day too, because now there's another lesson we can take away from this. Again, we dropped 1.1% in less than 30 minutes. Nope, 30 minutes. Yep. That's pretty insane if you ask me. This is unprecedented market conditions right now. The lesson to take away from this is you either need to be hopping on the trend or accept that you might have missed the big move and you're not looking for that continuation. Now, here's another day where we did not break the initial bounce low. Sets the high, sets the low, and no break of either side. It got very close, but again, close is not a break. So then we had yesterday, actually. Yesterday, we double broke the initial balance. These white lines are the initial balance high and low. You can see we broke it just ever so slightly and then broke it again on the bottom side. So really interesting market conditions. I don't know what this means for the future because obviously we just can react as day traders. We can't predict. And today, quite frankly, is looking like it might be setting up for the same exact thing. I mean, if we look at this on the 5-minute chart, you could see so clearly that we're just getting the move and then recovering, having the move, recovering, having the move, recovering. So what this can tell you is if we're dropping 1% at the open, don't expect follow through. That's the lesson and the takeaway from this video. And quite frankly, it's been difficult to trade this. We're not getting much follow through. So comment down below, how has the market conditions been for you, and are you finding success in this market with your trading strategy?